Big hurricane force winds.
It's picking up even more, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
St. Petersburg is getting an epic shower from Mother Nature. Hurricane Milton style.